Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Sam from Pixie Blue. Today I'm going to show you how to do a healthy glowing makeup for summer. This requires not a lot of makeup, so it'll probably be quite a quick one. To begin, you need to make sure that you wear a moisturiser that has SPF in. Even though your foundation may have an SPF in, because you're going to be using a minimal amount, it won't protect you the way that it should. Then I'm going to use Avon Magic's Cashmere Finish Foundation. The colour I'm using is Nude. So I'm just working this foundation from the centre of the face outwards. There's a few things I love about this foundation. One of them is that it smells absolutely beautiful and fresh, so that's a real bonus. But the other thing is that for me, it's in between a tinted moisturiser and a foundation. You get a light coverage, more than you would with a tinted moisturiser, but not a heavy coverage, which is obviously not what you want in the summer heat. I'm using the Laura Mercier Brow Powder Duo in Ash, and I'm going to gently just go for the lighter of these shades. And on a little angled brush, I'm just going to fill my brows in really softly. Now when we're talking about glowing makeup, we really want to get a little bit of a shimmer in. I absolutely love these from Urban Decay. This is 24/7 Glide On Shadow Pencil, and they come in a ton of colours, so there's something for everyone. This one is called Midnight Cowboy. You can see on my hand it's really shimmery, and that will stay on all day. Another thing that I really love from Urban Decay is the Naked palette, which looks like that. So there's a plethora of eyeshadow colours there for anybody, any skin tone that wants to wear neutrals. I'm going to work with my Midnight Cowboy eyeshadow, and we're just going to put this all the way over the lid. I'm going to take this colour just under the eye as well. And then along the eye line, just using the same angled brush that we use for our brows, I'm going to use a black or a dark brown eyeshadow, either or. I'm just using the black out of the Naked palette, which is also by Urban Decay, but any black you have will be fine, or dark brown. And we're going to run that just along the lashes. This just gives a little bit of definition without looking like we've got tons of makeup on. It's just going to make our lashes appear a bit fuller. Now, because the eyeshadow and the makeup in itself is at a minimum, it's really important that we make the most of our lashes. So I'm going to use some eyelash curlers just to curl them. This is Clinique High Impact Mascara. Then before I apply mascara on my bottom lashes, I'm going to use some concealer. This one is Clinique Line Smoothing Concealer. I'm going to do this with my fingers, so just pop a little bit on, and then just blend it in with your finger. Mascara on bottom lashes. Now this is all about glow, so let's get some bronzer on. I'm using Guerlain Terracotta No. 1. So tops of cheekbones, forehead, across the nose, now this is the Gemma Kid Dewy Glow All Over Radiance Cream. The colour is Rose Gold. This is pretty integral to this makeup look and one of my favourite products for the summer. It is a highlighter cream. I'm going to apply that with a brush just to the tops of cheekbones. Hopefully you can see that picking up. And brow bone, just to create a real healthy glow. Now let's powder through the centre of the face, because although we want it to have a healthy glow, we don't want it to look shiny. So I'm using Sleep Makeup Luminous Pressed Powder in No. 1. We're just going to take that through the centre of the face. And then finally from MAC, I have Petting Pink Lip Conditioner. This has got an SPF of 15 as well, so you should be fine in the sun. I'm just going to put this on with my finger. And if you're adding a healthy glow to your face, don't forget your body. Here's a few options. If you've got a bit of Cashless Splash, this is Pretty Potion. This is amazing. Comes in a variety of colours, and yeah, it's a moisturiser that you put on the skin, but it gives the most amazing glow. This is available from gurumakeupemporium.com. And if you're on a budget, you can go to Marks and Spencer's. Tess Daly does a variety of great products for the skin to give like a really healthy glow. This one is Superstar Skin Body Melt, which is a shea butter. So this is the finished Healthy Glow makeup. I hope you like it. You can do it from start to finish in about 5 minutes approximately. And anyway, yeah, that's it. I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.